Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. This is the second episode of our Munnar series. The first episode where I have shown how we have traveled from Bangalore to Munnar through a road trip. If you haven't watched that video, I'll provide the link in the description. And in this video, I'm going to show you which are the places you can visit nearby Munnar, where we stayed, how was the facility, the price, and what all we did in our first day. I hope you enjoy watching this video and find this helpful. And this was the early morning view from our room. The weather is so pleasant and it seems Munnar remains the same throughout the year, be it the winter, monsoons or the summer. It remains so beautiful. And here's our birthday girl Alaya. She got up after a good night's sleep.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alan.
We quickly got freshened up and we headed towards the breakfast area. So the breakfast was complimentary, which was included along with the stay. And for the stay, they have charged around 3,500 per night. This is the resort we were staying in for the first 2 days. So it's a beautiful property. It is located around 17 kilometers from Munnar. It has an outdoor swimming pool, then free private parking. Also, it has fitness center and spa. Then they have arrangements for barbecue or candlelight dinner if you want. For kids, they have play areas. So everything you would need for a relaxing vacation, they have it all. I would highly recommend this resort. Morning, we have come for breakfast now, and Alize wants to say something. Say.
Hi, good morning. And we came to have our breakfast, and today is Allah's birthday. After breakfast, we will celebrate Allah's birthday. Bye bye.
This was their breakfast area. They also had outdoor seating arrangement. So they had all kinds of both South Indian and North Indian breakfast options available. They also have their own restaurant where you can get the Indian, Middle Eastern, and the seafood cuisines, and the rates are also okay. For us, we got some puttu with kadla curry and some omelette, also some puris. So basically, everything we gave a try. This is their spa I was speaking about. Also, they say that monsoon is a very good season for the Ayurvedic treatments. This was their pool area, and beside this, they have the kids' activity area. Me and Alice, we were just roaming around for a while Alaya was taking some rest, and then we started towards the town to roam in and around Munnar. The nearest point was the Potamedu Viewpoint. It is an elevated cliff at the entrance of Munnar. So from here you can get a panoramic view of the Munnar and the surrounding hills. They also have trekking facilities till the top of the Potamedu Viewpoint. You can opt for trekking or you can go for a leisure mountain walk. Then this is a picnic spot among the locals. They come here to spend time with their friends and family. There are many such viewpoints. So this is one such place where we stopped in between on our way to the Attukkad Waterfalls. Attukad Waterfall is one another popular tourist spot in Munnar. So this is around 8 kilometers from the Munnar town, and this falls somewhere in between Pallivasal and Munnar. You can get a view of the waterfall from a very far distance, and since we're visiting this place during this monsoon season, it was in its full might. This route which goes towards the waterfall is quite narrow, and we got to know during these monsoons it becomes a little slippery, and if you are traveling by your own car you might not get till the end. When we went, luckily there was no rainfall, so we could go till the end point. If not, also we can stop the car and we can go by walk till the end point. This spot is also popular among the trekkers. They have hiking facilities as well, and either side of the falls they have beautiful plantations, and the aroma of the plantations you can get while you walk. They don't charge any entry fees, and the timings are from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. There's also a small tea shop beside the waterfall, so you did not have to worry for the food. You can get some tiffin items and tea, coffee. You have a lot of options for stay as well near to the waterfall. And while we were returning back from the waterfall, it started raining so heavily. We stopped for a while for the rain to slow down. And once it slowed down, we headed towards this botanical garden. This is around 8 kilometers from the Munnar town. They have a minimal entry fee of rupees 50 per head, and for kids who are below 5 years of age, it's free. If you are a cactus lover, they have lots of varieties, and also they have some hybrid varieties. Many medicinal plants are available here. Also, you can buy from this botanical garden any kind of plants. This place is popular for jogging, then for photography. People come here for photography outings, and then for gardeners. You have many other tourist spots such as the Echo Point, the Photo Point, Top Station, Mattupeti Dam. It falls in the same route. We thought of going to the dam, but we couldn't because again it started raining very heavily, and so we decided to back to our resort. On the way, we stopped in between Munnar and we got a cake for our birthday girl. We reached our room, cut the cake, and had a small celebration. We couldn't do any photo shoot because it was already dark. I'll show you our birthday girl's photos in our next vlog. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this video and I'll see you very soon in our next vlog. Till then, bye and take care.